Hello and welcome to my channel, Joanne Steele, where I show you how to create and make beautiful things. And today I want to show you how to use watercolor pencils for arting. I got my first set of watercolor pencils in 2012 and I started my art journey and I've never looked back. They are really easy to use. You basically scribble something on some paper and then take a brush, dip it in water, and you basically have a painting. Obviously you need to draw something first of all, and then you have a nice painting. And so today I wanted to use one of my paper cutting designs, which is like a vector, and I printed that. It's my kudu antelope design. I printed it on watercolor paper using a printer after making the lines very faint, and I decided to paint it with watercolor paintings, as you can see here. And it was a really relaxing and interesting process. I used quite a small brush and I basically scribbled down some colors that were sort of related, like the red and the yellow are related, they're warm colors. So I scribbled them down a little and then I added added water, and I created this multicolored effect using the watercolor pencils. I left a few gaps to add some different colors, where I went in with more orange and more of an orange yellow, and I went in with some magenta also. So I hope you enjoy watching me draw and paint, color and paint, and I'm going to be linking a copy of this kudu antelope design as a JPEG so that you can print it out for yourselves and color it in. You'll need to print it out on quite a heavy type of paper, not printer paper. My printer takes thicker paper like watercolor paper, but try it anyway on whatever paper you have. And if you can get hold of some watercolor pencils, I'm sure you can get them quite easily. The ones I use are Caran d'Ache Supracolor, and they are the best ones as far as I'm concerned. I got a small tin of 12. It wasn't too expensive. It was sort of mid-range, let's say. And that gave me enough colours to make this kudu antelope. And so yeah, if you manage to get some, you can print out the kudu design and colour it in for yourself. And I would love to see what you make. I'll put a link to a Facebook group where you can post your pictures and we can enjoy looking at all the creations that we've made. Okay, well, I'll let you watch the rest of this and hopefully I'll see you soon. Okay, take care, bye bye.